Android Development Channel was created for you to start developing Android applications from scratch. Learn how to use basic tools and programming languages for Android. Later, we will move on the more complex topics and you will have a picture of how it all works in general. And if you are not a beginner, so don't worry. You will also find a lot of information for yourself that will help you to close incomprehensible topics for yourself. So, let's get started. Let's create some elementary Android application. For this one, we will use Android Studio. So open your browser and type Android Studio. Here you can find a green button, so press on it. Scroll to the bottom and accept all the following terms and conditions here. Click this button to download Android Studio and wait until it downloads. Double-click here and install your Android Studio application on your system. Then open Android Studio. Let's get started. Let's create a new project. And on the left side, as you can see here, we have different templates for different devices, like for phone and tablets, for a Wear OS, for an Android TV, and for an automotive. Right now, we will use phone and tablets, so press here and select no activity, and then press next. Here, let's write a name of our project. It will be test app. Press finish. On the left side of your Android Studio, press here and you will see 3 folders. It's a manifest, Java and resources. Let's get started with the resources. Resources is a folder that holds all of the related to the design elements like drawables, it's icons, values like colors, some strings, themes of your Android application and so on. So in the resources folder, we will create our design of our application. So let's create a main activity class. This main activity should be extended from another parent class with the name fragment activity. And let's override the basic method with the name onCreate. So let's write override fun onCreate. Here we will execute all of our functionalities that is related to the main screen. Then let's create our design. In the res folder, press new Android resources directory, press values and select layouts. In the layouts folder, we will create our XML file. XML file will represent the design of our main screen. So select layouts resources file and give it name revert to our main activity, like activity main. We have an empty screen right here, but let's create some text view. So in the left side, write text view and give its name, Android ID. ID should be unique to each UI element. Write text view plus name text. As you can see here, we have an empty text, so let's add an Android name. write Android text, and right here, Hello World. Now, let's increase the size of this text view, writing the Android text size. And right here I set it to SP. SP uses only to the size of the text view, and that's it. So using this, we will move our Hello World text view in the center of the screen. Then, let's open the main activity class, and right here our activity main, using the R layouts. Activity main. So, looking at the project structure, we can see the R resources, layouts, and our activity main XML file. So, the final step is to attach to the manifest class our main activity. Android manifest will be started when you click on the application on your launcher screen of Android system, and it should know which exactly activity, like which exactly screen should be started at the beginning. So here we can specify this one. As you can see here, we wrote our main activity class and added intent filter that shows that we should launch this activity at the beginning of the application. So let's test it. On the top side, you can find no devices. Press here and select the device manager. In the device manager, we can create a new device that will virtualize the Android system. So press the create device and select a phone. If you want to create some other device like TV or automotive with a different size of the screen and so on, so you can use this one. But for this course we will use only phone and tablets. So press the phone, select any of the Android phone like Nexus, Pixels. Let's select the Pixel 6 Pro. Press next and select the Android system that will be installed in this emulator. Let's select Android 13. Press next. Give it name like emulator and then finish. As you can see here, we just created our emulator. So if you click on the run button, this emulator will be launched. Now, Hello World is on the center of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and see you next time.